Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to freeze panes in Smartsheet. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're working with large spreadsheets and need to keep certain columns visible while scrolling through your data. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your workspace. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets and files are organized. Now that you're on your homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing sheets and locate the specific file where you want to freeze panes. This could be any sheet you're currently working on, whether it's a project tracker, budget spreadsheet, or any other type of data you manage in Smartsheet. Once you've found the right sheet, simply click on it to open it. The sheet will load and display all your columns and rows. Here's where the magic happens. Once your sheet is fully loaded, identify the column that you want to freeze. Freezing a column is perfect for keeping important information, like names or ID numbers, visible while you scroll horizontally through other data. Right-click directly on the title of the column you want to freeze. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From that menu, look for and select Freeze Column. As soon as you click this option, Smartsheet will lock that column in place. This means that no matter how far you scroll to the right, that frozen column will remain visible on your screen, making it much easier to reference key information without constantly scrolling back and forth. And there you have it. You've successfully frozen a column in Smartsheet, making your workflow smoother and more efficient when dealing with large datasets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.